Hello, this is the Kitchen Advisor with the perfect roasted potatoes made in an Instant Pot. You will make this beautiful, creamy, delicious meal in just a fraction of time you usually spend on preparing roasted potatoes in the oven, and you will love it. That's what we're going to do. Select Sauté program and then adjust the plus or minus buttons to set 20 minutes of cooking time. When the word hot appears on the display, add the vegetable oil. Add 2 ounces of butter. Add washed potatoes. After sautéing for 15 minutes, add 6 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, a quarter of teaspoon of black pepper, and a quarter of teaspoon of chili powder. Stir when sautéing. When sauté program is completed, add 6 ounces of water. Close the lid, select the steam program and turn the steam release handle on the lid to sealing position. Default steam program time is 2 minutes. When time is up, open the pressure cooker using quick release. Add dill and stir well. Now, the perfect roasted potatoes are very creamy and delicious inside and golden brown outside. Come to akitchenadvisor.com for all ingredients and full recipe. If you like the recipe, put the thumb up and leave your comments below the video. If you have a favorite recipe but don't know how to make it in Instant Pot, let us know and we will make it for you.